It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. Happy Batman Day. Yeah. In celebration of Batman Day, I'm going to be showing you how I made my Batman Begins cosplay. Batman is one of my favorite characters. I've been reading Batman comic books and watching the Batman cartoons since I was a kid, and I still love Batman today. So I'm excited about Batman Day. You see I'm wearing my gear. I'm excited about sharing this tutorial with you. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Gather your supplies and we're going to get right into this video. And there you have it. Batman Begins cosplay is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit that like, give me that thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. So as you can see, I made all of the parts for the Batman Begins cosplay out of EVA foam, but I did purchase the cowl. I purchased the cowl and I purchased the belt, and I made everything else. So I'll include a link to where I purchased the cowl and the belt, and I'll get all the patterns together and upload it as soon as possible so you can work with those patterns and use those if you need them to make your very own Batman Begins cosplay. Enjoy Batman Day. I hope the celebration continues. Read the comics, watch the animated series, watch a Batman movie tonight for movie night. Enjoy your Batman Day. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. And I'll see you next time. Peace.